Do everyone wants to do my reveal on my country? Oh, hell no. Okay. I will say it like this. Say to the comments what is this. Say to the comments what I spoke language. Maganda ako, tsaka matalino, tsaka malakas. Tsaka mabait. Tsaka maganda ang scouting. Sabihin nyo sa comments ano ang country ko. Alam nyo, please don't say I am AI, I am a real person. Do a real person going to say this? Sabi ng ganito ng WTF the fool. I never say that ever. I am real, not AI. Do AI going to say like this? Okay? Tapos na ako sa exam. No one going to beat. Some people don't know Philippines. Some people know. Charot lang.